Alright, another nice day out in Salt Lake City. Got some folks out with their dogs. This is how it goes down in downtown Salt Lake City. Dogs every day. But today we got sort of a classic, I think. And I'm not really a Rockstar drinker, but I think I've seen these a lot. This is the Rockstar Pure Zero Silver Ice. 20 calories, carbonated water, citric acid, erythritol, taurine, sodium citrate, natural flavor, caffeine, sodium benzoate, acesulfame, potassium, sucralose, glucuronolactone, potassium sorbate, inositol, gum arabic, niacinamide, glycerol ester of ricin, calcium pentothenate, milk thistle extract, Panax ginseng root extract, pyridoxine hydrochloride, guarana seed extract, caramel color, and cyanosolibalamine. Caffeine content of 240 milligrams. I was unaware of that when I put this up. But no juice. This is the Pure Zero series where there's no added sugars. It's close to 0 calories. The silver ice flavor. So we're gonna freeze this up and see how it tastes. 240 milligrams. That's a lot of caffeine, but we'll see. All right, we've left the Rockstar Pure Zero has been in the freezer for about an hour and a half now. I think, yeah. So I got some stuff to do this morning, so I can't really wait till it freezes. It's almost frozen, but we gotta get moving. Let's see how this tastes. I'm pretty sure I've never had this one before. Yeah, it's not frozen, unfortunately. It's got a decent color in there. Looks like clearish, bluish. All right. So off top, it's sort of has a strong profile, or I don't know about the taste, but you can, maybe it's the caffeine. It has 260, I think, what is it, 240 milligrams of caffeine. So the taste is sort of sharp. But it's silver ice, so I guess that might be the goal. Make it a sort of sharp taste on it. The flavor, it's got sort of that aftertaste. You know, after drinking a few drinks, this one is it's pretty basic. Not much going on. Not a bad flavor. Considering it has 240 milligrams of caffeine, and you know, it's called silver ice with only 20 calories. I think what they're going for is sort of a high caffeine, drink that'll give you a lot of energy and taste sort of cold, if that makes any sense. It tastes, the flavor is sort of bland, but not in a boring way, just more in a I don't know what. A lot of the rock stars have a sort of a juicy type of flavor. They don't have any juice, but they have a juice type flavor. This one doesn't have that, but it still has sort of the Rockstar signature flavor. So in that sense, I'm gonna give it some credit. But the flavor, you know, I like to say sometimes the Rockstars have a flavor where they taste like juice. I can't say that for this one, but it looks like they didn't want it to taste like juice. Some people don't like too much flavor in their drinks, if that makes any sense, but they still want it to taste good. This is what this one represents. It's not gonna stimulate your taste buds very much, but it still tastes pretty good. And it's very cold. I could have got it cold. I think I could have left it in there for another good 20 minutes, maybe even another half hour to freeze it up. So, I mean, it's silver ice, so it's going to have a high freeze point with all that caffeine as well. But it tastes sort of like a Rockstar. Less of a juice flavor. The profile of the flavor is big, is bold, but the actual flavor isn't bold. After a few sips, now that I've had a few sips, it tastes better. It tastes pretty good now. But no nasty aluminum taste or nasty metal tastes. So it's got some good, doesn't taste bad, but the ingredients were pretty good. Got that Panax ginseng, that guarana seed. We only have natural flavor in this one, no artificial flavors, which is a good thing. So this is a satisfying drink, I would say. This is a satisfying drink. If you choose this one, and it only has 20 calories and it has 240 milligrams of caffeine, you're gonna be satisfied after drinking this one. I just can't. It doesn't really have that much flavor necessarily, but it is satisfying. So I think we'll take a few more sips and see what we're gonna get, what kind of grade we're gonna give it. Yeah, and it sort of grows on you. The more sips you take, the better it tastes. And I can't say that for all energy drinks. Some of them get worse as it goes on. So this one here will probably I think we'll give it a solid B. I don't know if I can go much higher than that, considering there isn't much flavor on it. There's gonna be some people where this is probably, I can see some people saying this is the best energy drink they tasted because it doesn't have all that extra stuff on it. So, you know what? I might actually, now that I'm talking about it a little bit, I might give it a B plus, because I'm gonna have to take my personal preferences out of it, and I'm gonna have to say if you chose an energy drink that says silver ice and only has 20 calories, this is probably what you're looking for, and they delivered. Some flavor, tastes good, but just not with a lot of flavor. But yeah, so B plus. I think I've explained it enough. Not much to it.